Hello Odooers. Today we will see how to print employee payslip from Payroll module. You can see here our module To Export PaySlip. First install this module, so click on Activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to Payroll module. You can see here payslip menu. Go to this menu and click on To Pay menu. Select multiple payslip of employee. Go to Action menu and you can see here Export Payslip. Click on this menu and click on Export Report button. Let's save. And below you can see here multiple employee payslip with all details. Thanks for watching this video.